You didn't know about the secrets of our world. Ancient civilizations mastered architectural techniques to thrive in earthquake-prone regions. Structures like the pagoda in Japan feature tiered designs and flexible materials, allowing them to sway rather than break. The Romans employed arches and vaults, distributing stress effectively. In contrast, the resilient stone structures of the Inca, built with precisely cut stones that fit together without mortar, showcased advanced engineering. Understanding these methods reveals how cultural practices and local resources influenced building techniques. These ancient strategies not only ensured safety, but also reflect a deep connection to the environment and resilience against nature's fury.